so tall. Before the borders, our spirits ran free. The fire of Oromo still remains. Macaa-Tuullammaa, one drought, one root, echoes of history still in pursuit. Long before they tried to divide, we walked with kings, we stood with pride. From the land of Kush, we rose up free. Under the Eldar, our destiny. Borana whispers, Guji sings, the voice of Gadar, the strength of kings. Macaa-Tuullammaa, side by side, Kush still flows deep inside. We are the children of Kush. Rise up, stand firm, we push. Macaa-Tuullammaa, we stand strong. From the mountains to the valleys long. Through the ages still we shine. Oromo blood, Kushite mind. Like the two Niles we align. Flow together, strong in time. They carved our stories in the stone. Build the pyramids, set the tone. From Nile's waters to Shagar's hills, our spirit strong, unbroken still. No more divide, no more Garbama. Rise like kings, walk with Gadar. Boku raised, the path is clear. Oromo strong, no more fear. We are the children of Kush. Rise up, stand firm, we push. Macaa-Tuullammaa, we stand strong. From the mountains to the valleys long. Through the ages still we shine. Oromo blood, Kushite mind. Like the two Niles we align. Flow together, strong in time. Where the rivers kiss the land, Odal stands with branches grand. The fire of Kush still burns bright. Guided by truth, we walk in light. A far strong, Guji wise, singing songs of hope that rise. Through the struggle, through the fight, still we stand for truth and right. Oh, from the temples of old to the lands where the cattle still roam. We are the warriors, we rise as one. Gadar lives, no